Hello everyone, let's solve today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is minimum number of pushes to type word to. Okay. So we are given a string word which contains lowercase English letters. Okay. So telephone keypads have keys mapped with distinct collection of lowercase English letter which can be used to form words by pushing them. Okay, so here if we see, here we have A, B, C as a string. So we need to push key one time to type A, two times to type B, and three times to type C. Okay, and it is allowed to remap the keys numbered 2 to 9 to distinct collection of letters. The key can be remapped to any amount of letters, but each letter must be mapped to exactly one key. You need to find minimum number of times the key will be pushed to the string word. Okay, so so in this example, if we see, so word is given A, B, C, D, E. So what they have done is A is mapped to number 2, B is mapped to number 3, C is mapped to number 4. That means we have to click only once this 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and similarly DE. So we only need 5 times. Okay, 5 times we will be like each one times. So total 5 times. And again, if we see this example, yeah, XYZ. So only we have three distinct characters. Okay, letters. So what they have done is x is mapped with 2, y is mapped with 3, and z with mapped with 4. So we will click this 2 once for x, 3 once for y, 4 once for z. So totally how many x we have? We have x 4x. So we will push this 2 4 times, and y we have 4, so we will push this 3 4 times, and this z for 4 times. So total we have 12. Okay, see if we see this example, we have A, B, C, D, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have 9 unique characters. Okay, so but if we count our buttons or number of pushes which we can like buttons. Okay, so we have only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have only 8 buttons where we can map these characters. Okay, and right now we have nine characters. So for these 8 characters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, okay, is mapped, and the extra one, okay, we have 8 we have mapped with each letter, each number, and ninth one we can map with any number on the second place. So for example, if I want a W, then I have to push 5 two times. So here what they have done is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I. Okay, for 2 to 9, and for H, they have placed this H to the ninth position. Okay, so basically first thing which comes in mind is we have to find number of unique letters which are present in the word. Okay, then we can place each first 8 letters or 8 letters on each number, and then next letters on the second, and then next it will be on the third. So we can have only 26 characters, right? We have 26 letters. So first 8, second 8, third 8, and only 2 will be remained, and next 2 will we will place. Okay, so if you see here this example, then we will count number of A's are 2, number of B's are 2, number of C's are 2, number of D's are 2, number of E also 2, F 2, G 2, H also 2, and I has 6. Okay. So we have total 9 characters. We have to we have 8 numbers, right? From 2 to 9 we have 8 numbers. So we have to place any of the 8 to this 8 numbers. So how we will know which number we have to place on which letter we have to place on which number. So we have to see here, if we place that character or that letter on the number's first place, then we will multiply that with only once. So to click or to get that character or letter, we have to push that number only once. But if we have any character on the second place of that number, then we have to push that number twice. Okay, so we will consider number of occurrences of each letter. So here you can see letter I is occurring 6 times. So if we place letter I at the first position, then 6 into 1. So we have to push this. Let's say we are placing I on number 2, so we will only push 2 only once, and for 6 i's we will push 6 times. So if we place I on the second place, okay, second place of this number, then we have to tap this number twice or push this number twice, right? So for 6 i's, it will be 6 into 2, it will be 12. Okay, so 6 is less than 12, we have to return minimum number of pushes. Okay, number of pushes needed to type word. So what we will do is we can sort this by values. Okay, so if we sort this by values, 6 will be at the first, so we will place, okay, sort this by value, and we have to place greater number initially to the first place of each number. Okay, greater count of a letter, we will place at first place of numbers, and then we can go down. So that is why here they have placed H on the second place and I on the first place. You can place A here or here or here. Anything is okay, because we are not returning this keypad. We are returning the number. Okay. So you place G as here or here, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's solve this question. How we can solve? First, we have to count number of occurrences of each. So as we have only 26 characters, we can make use of array of 26. Okay, so here, and these are characters. So easily we can map with this 26 array. So first I will take array, or I will name this as a hash only, or else you can use the map also, but no need to use map, because we have to take again that values, and then sort it and then traverse the list. Instead, easily you can use this array. So it will be 26 sized array. And now for int I is equal to 0, I is less than word word dot length. Okay, and I plus plus. So hash of, okay, so here what will I do? Word dot char at I minus a plus plus. So it is basically, so let's say this is our character C, current character, and minus a. So C minus a, which will be equal to 2. If you see ASCII values of A and C, so let's say ASCII value A to Z. Okay, so you can see here, yes, ASCII values of A to Z. Here A is 65, these are capital letters. Okay, so 65, 66, 67. Even though, like, if we subtract C minus a, then we will get 2. So similar, this is for capital. Similarly, the values will be for the small letters, and the same difference we will get. So we are placing c at index 2, we are placing a at index 0. Okay, then till 25 index, so z minus a will be index 25. Okay, so this is how we are counting our number of characters in a string. Now we got our array. Now we will sort it. Arrays dot sort hash. Okay, now it is sorted in an ascending order, and it not necessary all numbers whatever we got are present in our word string, right? So many indices will have values as a 0. So as we are sorting, initially all zeros will be there, so we will check from last. Okay, so before that, how we will do the numbering? Okay, so first 8 characters, or first greatest value. Okay, first 8 characters we will multiply with 1, then next 8 characters we will multiply with 2, because it will be placed at the second place, and for next 8 characters we will multiply this with the 3, as it is placed on the third place. So if you want C, then we have to press this 2 3 times. Okay, so what we will do, first let's traverse our hash array 26 I plus plus, then take one variable as an answer, int answer is equal to 0 initially, then answer plus is equal to. Okay, so let's say our number of unique characters. Okay, or if we see I. Okay, I is 9, let's say I is 9. 9 means ninth number. Okay, so I is equal to 9, then first 8 we have to multiply with what? So what we will do, we will divide by 8 plus 1. So I I is 9, then we have to multiply with 2, because our ninth index will be placed at second place. Okay, so similarly, if I is 6, then we will divide by 8 and plus 1. Then 6 by 8 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So we have to push only one time, so we'll multiply with only 1. And with the number, we as the number will be from the last. Okay, because we have sorted it in the ascending order. So here I by 8 plus 1 multiplied by what? Hash of 26 is the size, minus I minus 1. Okay, so we will return this answer. So let's run. Accepted. Let's submit. Yes, you can see our solution got accepted. So this is how you can solve this question in easy way. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated. Thank you.